What is up YouTube? I just like to take a moment of your time before we start this video to tell you about one of my sponsors, One Stop Cutting Shop. They've supported me throughout this whole thing that I'm doing on the YouTube and the cars and all that sort of stuff. They've been nothing but supportive to me, so I'd like to take a little bit of your time to tell you a little bit about them. They are a laser cutting shop. They don't just do laser cutting though, they do water jet cutting, they do folding, rolling, all that sort of stuff. They cut a lot of things and they can do a lot of things. So if you have a project that you're doing, you never know what they could do for you to help you along and make that final goal a little bit easier. So if you would just go down into the description below, I've put a link there to their Facebook, give them a like, tell them I sent you, something like that, and yeah, I would definitely appreciate it. Let's go. So Marcus and Dan, kind enough to come here on a cold winter's night, help me out, wrapping the E30.
Yes, very cold.
You look
like
cold. Slave labour here. Imported slave labour.
Imported slave, cheap labour.
Hard out. But anyway, I'd be struggling on this if I was doing it by myself. But luckily, Dan here has done it a few times, so he knows what he's doing. It's coming out pretty good. Like, I won't go too close because then you'll see stuff, but from here it looks good. Marcus said it kind of looks like Red Baron's car, which is like a pretty cool E30, so I don't mind.
Oh, I've got a tip, guys. So when you're wrapping and when you fold the wrap underneath the body, you just want to heat gun the wrap. So when it cools down, it molds into the shape of the wrap as well. I don't know if I'm making sense, I'm real tired. But
No, that sounds
so,
pretty good.
So like when normally if you just tuck it in and if you don't heat gun it, so when you leave it out under the sun and stuff, the wrap sort of fluctuates with the
So
heat,
you
right?
So you fold it under and then you hit it blast over the heat.
Blast it with the heat.
Nah, that makes.
If you don't blast it with the heat, that's how wrap like
starts to peel off.
Starts to peel off. It starts to lift up on the edges.
See that?
And you don't want that. That's So you just want to blast with some heat.
Just letting out all the trade secrets. Yo. But yeah, we're not going to be wrapping it all tonight, obviously, because it's a bit of a mush. We've got the flares off. We'll probably... Are we going to do the roof tonight?
Yeah, might as well.
Alright, so we're probably going to do the roof tonight. Might give it a little tickle up. It's not too bad. It's a little bit dusty. That's about it. Yeah. Man, look at these guys. It's been like 5 minutes since we've done the booth. You guys have almost finished the roof. Far out. Man, this manual labor stuff, it's so good.
It's an Asian labor.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Thank you very much, Dan, for coming around and giving me a hand doing this beautiful job right here. Oh yeah, and if you didn't know already, Dan's an amazing photographer. I'll put his Instagram down here or something.
I try, man, I try.
Nah, he's very talented. As you can see, this looks sick. Now I've got to do the bonnet, which I need to touch up a little bit more.
So the hardest part's like the actually front bumper. For this guy anyway.
Yeah, I might, because I'm gonna get like a fiberglass front bumper.
Yeah.
So I might see if I can take a bit of wrap to like a paint shop and see if they can color code it.
But like this car in general is pretty easy to wrap because like all the panel curves and just it's pretty flat. It's not like curved and like angled and sharp angles.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
all pretty
like a Corvette. Like that thing would be
so
pretty
like
hard, right?
Corvettes or just old cars in general, to be honest. Like E30, like just the body shape of it is just all flat.
These would be pretty hard, wouldn't it? Like just in here.
Yeah, but compared to like new cars where that's like on every fender, every door, like on the bumper, you know
that's
what I mean?
true.
And like the mirrors as well, because like new cars are like all shaped, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So compared to that, it's like this is so much easier.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, this is nothing, really.
Alright, so we're probably going to call it a night. We're going to do some sheesh and yeah. Probably continue this video on the next time we're here doing this wrap stuff. I'll see you at the next one.
Oh, fuck.
Right in your face, you have to, bro. You have to.